welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to teach you all how to bronze, blush, and highlight your face, and I am so excited. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on where to properly apply your brush, your bronzer, and your highlighter. I'm going to show you guys the brushes that I use in my everyday routine. So let's just go ahead and get right on into the video. Alrighty, so the very first thing that I always start out with is bronzer. And you apply bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks and along in your hairline and on your temples. I just do it along the hollows of my cheeks and on my hairline. I don't really do my temples with bronzer, but the one that I'm going to be using is from Wet n Wild. This is just one of the color icon blushes, and this is in the shade Rose Champagne. If you are fair-skinned like Moi here, this is going to be a perfect bronzer shade for you. This is just what it looks like. You can pick this up at Walmart for $2. They also have these at Walgreens, but they're $3 there. So if you go to Walmart, you can save $1 and you get this huge thing that is going to take you a while to use up. Now, to bronze up my face with, I use the e.l.f. Angled Blush Brush, and this is just what it looks like. The bristles are really soft, and they are kind of dense a little bit, so it's a little bit easier to work with a bronzer. So now I'm just going to apply my bronzer and show you guys how I do it. So next up is blush, and to apply my blush, the areas that I like to apply it is just on the apples of my cheeks. So if you don't know where the apple of your cheek is, you can always kind of smile, and wherever you feel that little hump, that is usually where the apple of your cheek is. The blush that I'm going to be using is from Tarte, and this is just the 12-Hour Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Parté, and this is just a really beautiful mauve nude blush. I love this blush so much. It really does last 12 hours. To apply this, I'm going to use a smaller angled brush. And this is just a unicorn brush. I use just a regular blush brush for my blush every day, but that brush is actually really dirty and I didn't feel like cleaning it. I really need to clean my brushes. That's what I'm going to do after I film this video. So I just brought this one out today so that way you guys didn't have to see how gross my actual blush brush is. But yeah. And I'm going to also apply my blush using light tapping motions along the apple of my cheek. And then the very last thing that I always apply, which is optional, like all of the other products that I have used are also optional. You don't have to wear blush, you don't have to wear bronzer, you don't even have to wear highlighter, which is next, because you know, you can wear what you want to wear. So for highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Hard Candy Fox in a Box Glamour Girl highlighter. I just did a review on this on my YouTube channel here, and I'll have it linked down below where you guys can watch it and check it out. But this is just what it looks like. It is so pretty. And to apply it, I'm going to be using this dome-shaped highlighter brush from e.l.f. Now, you can also use a mini fan brush to apply your highlight also, but I don't really like those. I don't really feel like they really pack on the highlighter because I love to glow and just stand out in the crowd with my highlighter and with my glow. So I like to have a lot of highlight on. This brush is really nice as well. This is only $3, so you literally cannot beat it. And this highlighter is $7, so that is not bad at all. Plus, it's scented. It smells like a pina colada, so I'm going to go put on my highlighter now. And the places that you are supposed to put your highlighter on are the high points of your face. So on the high points of your cheekbones and down the center of your nose. Sometimes I'll do my Cupid's bow, a lot of times I don't, and then just a little bit right there underneath my chin. So that is how you bronze, blush, and highlight your face. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope maybe I helped out a beginner or just help you improve your makeup game just a little bit with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one very, very soon. Bye, guys.